Hi guys, TB here. I want to show you in this video how to use this project that I just finished for WordPress, which turned out to be I find it very cool. So what this does, it allows to add an image that will appear here on the front and will also have these waves and this distortion when you move the mouse. Now when you click and hold, if you see here this message, click and hold for the full micro LED experience. And also this icon, when you click and hold, it will add this transition between the image and the video. Now if you look carefully here at the bottom, there is a border, there is a bar that it will display the progress until the user can actually let go. It doesn't really matter at that point because the user will have to watch the entire video because before it can return back. So if I just do it like this, nothing really happened. But if I keep holding, and now the user is stuck in the video. And when the video finishes, it will return back to these settings here. Now this is very customizable. This, for example, this wave effects. Let's show you a few things here. For example, this swirl strength, you can make it like this, for example, and it will also be applied here. And you can also set the hold speed hand and hold out speed and hold in speed to make it slower or faster. See, now it's much faster. Let's make it really slow. So for example, something like this. And if I make it really fast, see, it just okay. So the swirl speed, can make it even faster, can make it this more pleasant. Basically, this is very customizable. This is using a shader in three.js, and you can customize it to your liking. Also here you can for the flow map, for example, you can change the RGB shift amount, which see it adds. If you look carefully, when I move, it will distort the red, green, and blue channels. Let's make it weird. See how it looks now. And we can change the flow map strength to make it even more fluid. Flow map radius, this will be crazy. Yeah. Sensitivity, there are a lot of settings here to. Of course, this is not the way to do it, but I just wanted to show you that these options are there. Now this text in the center, you can set it as you want. Also this click and hold the same, and this is the same, and also keep holding. So basically all this text can be modified. Now in the free version you will not have this icon. I just want to tell you this because you would know that if you don't see it, it's because the free version doesn't have it, but only the commercial one have it. But other than that, you will receive the entire thing. Now this can be embedded at any size, and this is an example, full screen example. But if I scroll down here, see, this is portrait aspect ratio. So the same applies here. This is a different video, but the same thing is happening. I forgot to mention, once the video starts playing, this bar will show the progress of the video. So you'll basically know when the video ends. Let me show you. If you look carefully here, this bar keeps decreasing based on the video duration. When I scroll up and down, if the video plays, it will stop because there is no point to play it. It's a waste of resources. So this is pretty much how this project works. It's simple, but at the same time it's very eye-catching. I don't think anything like this was built before in this idea. It will definitely engage the user in using this. So let's go to the dashboard. So installing the plugin is done like any other plugin. You go to the plugins, add plugin, and you will receive the zip file, or if you install it from WordPress, you'll just search it and install plugin and activate. And once it's activated, you will see it here on the left. I already have a test here, but I'll delete this to show you. This is the dashboard. All you need to do is add new item. I call it test. These options are self-explanatory, so most of them, for example, the post-processing is all those things that I showed you: swirl speed, swirl noise speed, and the flow map. And here also you can change the width, the height, and also this is a parameter for the responsive version, but everything is explained in the info text here, so all you need to do is to read it. Let's go to what's important. So we have the image path. Let's add an image. I will choose, I don't know, this one, and let's add the video. So this is the video. I'll add this one. So I don't have any video prepared for this or image. I'll use random one. So here is the text. I'll just use, sorry, this is the center text, and this is the whole text. I'll just leave it like this, but you can change it. And if you notice here, it also supports HTML. You can add these brackets and it will be displayed in HTML. Yeah, so this is pretty much it. So update, back to items, and now we have the first product. You can add, if you like, here an image to see which one is it, so that you are not confused. I'll add the same image with the rows, and now we have the product. It was working without this, but this is useful to see which product you know. If you add another one, for example, and we would have the same generic image, it would be a problem. So let's delete this. So we have the product, I don't know what to call it, the item, and here is the shortcode. Just click on it and it will be copied to clipboard. Now go to a page. I already tested this on when I developed this, but I'll go to sample page, and it was already there. Add the shortcode block and add the shortcode. If you are using a builder like Element or WP Bakery, or doesn't really matter, just add the shortcode in the shortcode block from that editor and it will work. Now save. Now this is a basic theme. See, we have this. Yeah. See? Now in this case, it's small because the theme has a restricted content. So don't worry if in your page based on your theme it will expand and it will look nice. So this is pretty much it. We have this by default set to yes, set enabled. I'm sorry, but we can go and disable it. Let me show you this quick. Here. GUI, see GUI, show the GUI. Okay, update. I'm talking about this stuff, and now if I refresh, it's gone. So I hope you like this one. Personally, it's one of my favorite, even though it's simple as a concept, and as an execution, actually as a concept is simple, because as an execution this was really difficult to code. The shader was not easy to implement. This stuff here, it's a lot of math, and anyway, I really hope you like it. Okay, so now for WooCommerce, I want to show you how this works in WooCommerce. So I have a product here, this one, which is showing this, I don't know, this chair or something, and to replace this this thumbnail with the Peekaboo product reveal, just add the shortcode anywhere in the product description. After I update it, I already done this, and open this in a new page. You'll see we have here the product. Yeah. So this is how it works in WooCommerce as well. So this is it. I really hope you like this. Personally, I love this project. I don't know why I find it to be cozy. I don't know how to call it. It's catchy to the eye, and it also adds an interesting effect on the page. So okay guys, this is it. I will not brag anymore. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.